Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Wednesday afternoon, not from the New York Stock Exchange, not from the New York Mercantile Exchange CME Group floor, this time from outside the East River behind me. And listen, I know that yesterday was not a happy Harvey day, but I'm going to tell you something. Today is a happy day in New York because it's beautiful. It feels like summer outside. The tourists are all around me. And it's also about that time, guys. It's warming up. It's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close. I want to run out of here with all of these people and grab ourselves a drink. You know why? Because it's happy hour in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks, they continue to rise this Wednesday afternoon, just a few blocks down over at the New York Stock Exchange. This after posting their best day since March as investors continue to take in strengthening oil prices as well as global news. And that's where we first begin overnight, the Eurozone agreeing to grant the nation of Greece debt relief. This in which finance ministers are calling a breakthrough deal for that nation as well as the IMF. Meanwhile, switching focus over to the New York Mercantile Exchange, on the other side of Manhattan, futures are last about 1.5% higher. That's oil futures, roughly $49.30 a barrel. This after weekly crude inventories for the EIA showed a drawdown of 4.23 million barrels for last week. And that's not all. We also had economic data today. The market flash U.S. services PMI for the month of May coming in at 51.2, down from 52.8 for the month of April, and the FHFA housing price index rising 0.7% for the month in March, this from the previous month. You team all of that with a slightly lower US dollar as well as gold prices in the red, then you have yourself a session right now just a few blocks away on Wall Street where 3 stocks are on the upside for every decliner. Let's take a look now to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this, the more than halfway point of the trading week. More than 5% intraday. This after the e-commerce site managed to say that the U.S. SEC, the Securities Exchange Commission, is indeed looking into the company's accounting practices. And with that, kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink. I'm going to say it one more time, but it hasn't been working lately. Let's go Mets. If you're in the tri-state area, especially in New York, you better be outside. Get out of your apartment, get out of the subway, get out of work and enjoy it because it's beautiful out. For Modern Wall Street saying I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning, I'm James Sweeney.